Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss about use of has and have. You have done use of is, am, are, was, were, do, does, did, and today we will discuss about has and have, where we can use these words. Actually, these they are helping verb, we can call them. Understood. And has and have is used with present perfect tense. Since you don't know about tense, you can understand it this way, that has and have is used with present tense, right? Present. And let's see here. Has is used with, if the word is, if the means the you can say if the subject is he, she, it, any name, or it is in singular like Ram, Shyam, Sita, Gita, then you will use has. If it is I, we, you, they, or plural like children, teachers, then you will use have. See the you can if you want about the shortcut, and you, if you want to know it, want to understand it very easily, then you can yes, understand it this way, that if you will see, notice before blank, you will notice the blank, where the blank is in that sentence, and which word is before comes before that blank. If there is he, she, it, or any name, then you'll use has in that blank. Understood? And if you'll get I, we, you, they, or any plural word before that blank, then you'll use have. Understood? Then see, check here. Has is used has used with pronoun she, he, it. I told you before also only, has can be used with he, she, it, or any name, singular. Okay, only one name. Like the in this picture, see, this girl Meena has a shell. Here the green color one, it's a shell, and she has a shell. But Rohit has many cells. He has many cells here. See, yellow, blue, red, pink, many color one. So he has many shells. Then yeah, check here. I told you she has a shell. She is alone. She is only one person. So that's why we will use has. See, before has you can see she is written over here, right? Then next is have. Have is used with more than one noun in the naming part. If there are more than one noun, or it can be used with pronoun like you, they, we. Okay, have can be used with these pronoun and noun that are more than one. Like I told you before only, teachers, children, okay, students. Then here see the picture. They have many paper boats. Both of them are playing, so they are not only one person, so both of them have many boats near them, isn't it? So that's why we will use they have many boats with them. And again, for revision, try to understand, you will notice before the blank. Understood? See which word is there before that blank. The blank that is given to you, you will notice the word that comes before that blank. If that the word is he, she, it, or any name that is singular like Rita, Gita, Meena, okay, then you'll use has in that blank. If that word is I, we, you, they, or any plural like children, teachers, okay, so then then you will use have. Understood? It's very easy, and I'll give you a worksheet related to this. Try to complete that. Thank you.